Hi guys, so today we're taking a look at a property in Lekki Phase 1. Yes, I said Lekki Phase 1. And guess what? Not only is it accessible, it is also affordable. We have very few units of apartment in this estate. Now this estate sells at just a starting price of 30 million naira. We have studio apartments and 2 to 3 bedroom maisonette. So if you are looking for luxury, affordability and accessibility in Lekki Phase 1, then guess what? Today is your lucky day. Do not hesitate. Call the number on the screen as I give you a brief tour of these beautiful apartments in Lekki Phase 1.